Okay, guys. Let's talk about the Fibonacci expansion tool. So, Fibonacci expansion tool, like I mentioned in the previous video, is the tool that is used to find where the trend is likely to give up the ghost, where the trend is likely to end. So, which is the area we should be looking to take our profits. So, inside a buy, where is the buying going to stop? Where am I going to take my profits? With the price which this place I'm looking for. So this is what we use. This is what I use, or one of the things I use. I use lots of things actually. It's one of the things I use to get where I can stop my buying. Or, you get the point. So let's look into it. Let's look into it. So I'm going to insert Fibonacci expansion tool here. So it has 3 points of contact. The first point is you put it at the start of the trend. The second point you put at the top of hold on. So if let's say you had a trend move up, right? You have a move up, and then like okay, it's retraced. Let me say use your Fibonacci or use your other block. Okay, this is other block buy. So where am I taking my profits? So you put the first one where the initial move started. You put the second one where it stopped after the retracement. You put the last one at the end of the retracement. So these are the 3 points of contact of the indicator. So then it will now show you the lines, Fibonacci expansion lines, which is where you should be looking to take your profit. So as for me, if I'm in the direction of the trend, the first place I'll look to take profit is 100%. So 100 trace level is 100 trace level. Then we look at 138.2, 161.8, 200 and 261.8. But I don't just say, okay, which am I taking? I look at resistance points to take my profits at. So the first resistance point that is obvious here is, let me just draw like a real down a nice circle there. I get angry. So this is the first resistance point that we see, right? I get low. It's just like first why is this one? This is fast. This is the first resistance point that we see. That's pretty obvious. But then the second one is you don't. The second one is this one up here. That's the second resistance. So what I'm looking to do here is to combine the indicators with my resistance points. So I'm not looking to take my profits exactly at the top of the resistance. I'm looking to take profits before it gets there, So let's say I enter this position here. Where I enter this, and put a line there. Horizontal line. So entered at this candle here. Bam. That's my entry point. I see, okay, the retracement has ended. And then we contacted the other block and because I am moving out again. So I entered there immediately. Right? So now I'm staring at the chart. I put my stop loss somewhere, which is the beginning of the trend. Like my stop loss, let's say, here is my stop loss where the move off started. So from my entry point to my stop loss is 28 pips. So where will my take profits be? I'll be looking to take profits as the next resistances, right? So I would use my Fibonacci tool to find the best place to take my profits. So usually where I take my profits is 168.8. My favorite place is 168.8, 200, and 261. So in this case, you can see it gives up the ghost exactly at 261. Most trades don't go beyond 61 before they start retracing. You get? So, but some do, but it's rare. Some go up to 400 or something. That's 4 times the initial move. So 261 means it goes to 0.6 times this move up. So, I'm not seeing this resistance here. So what I will think about is, where is the Fibonacci extension level that is just before it? So in this case, I'll take my profits at 200. I won't choose 161.8 because it's a little bit far. So my first TP will be here because it's just before that resistance. Or if I want to be safe, I can just leave it at 161.8. It gets. So either one works. But me, I would leave it till it gets here and maybe show my stop loss. I can move my stop loss up when Kasaya will be. So my first TP will be right there. The first TP will be there. Right at 200 extension level there. And then my second TP will be at the next resistance. Before the next resistance, which extension tool do I have? I have this guy. So 61.8. So there's no other one. I don't like chasing trade that too big or trade that too long because my patience will start expiring. So let's say I entered with one lot size. One lot size. So when it gets up here, I'll take half. I'll take away 0.5 lot size. And then when it gets to my final TP, I will close the whole trade and then watch what the market will do after. So what the market does after is what I'm saying, okay, can I take it on that trade or what? I'll just leave that trade for some time and come back to this. I don't have to trade all the time. So my second TP will be the next resistance. Still is not working. She said, it's just a puppy. So this will be my next. So why is this not working? Don't annoy me. Oh god, okay, this is burnt on. Annoying me today. So I'll just pick up the start on that line there. So this will be my final TP. So as you can see, this is a very good risk to reward. So what is my risk? Sometimes my stop loss is 28 pips. So that is 28 pips. Let's say if I'm using one lot size, I'm going to lose $280. If this trade fails, I'm losing $280. If it gets to my first TP, I'm getting 820. It's 82 pips. Let's say 80 pips. So 30 pips for 80 pips is not bad. It's almost 3 hours get. So this is my first TP, 8 pips. The second one gets me 100 pips. So it's a very favorable risk to reward ratio. So this is how I use the Fibonacci expansion to get my points of take profit. You get it. You get it. So I hope this video has been insightful. I'll see you in the next one. So, hold on. Before I go, I want to show you this. You can also choose your price swing to be maybe this one. And you can see it actually gets to this guy. This guy actually, I don't know, he didn't exactly get there. So he actually got to 61 and then started going down. So the first TP here is going to be like 168 as usual. Second one 200, third one 61. So this is just the Fibonacci expansion tool. I hope this has helped you. You can use this, go on your charts, find places that it does work well. Try to start thinking of ways you can add this into your trading plan, your trading strategy, things like that. So don't just watch and go and sleep. Watch and go and practice. That's why you have demo accounts. Watch and go and practice. Now is not the time for live per se. I'm going to be dropping a video for how to create a live account very soon, but it's not going to be now. Don't drop it now. When I have a little more time, I'm going to do that as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves.